Today is May 29. It's a Friday. Kakauwi ko lang sa Taguig. So, dito muna ako habang wala pang klase. Skin update. So, I've been taking Actime for like a month now. And this is my skin. Wait, later. After ko mag-skincare, medyo nag-red pa kasi siya. So, yung skincare na gamit ko ngayon is from Everwhite. Lahat ng products ko ata Everwhite except sa moisturizer. Actually, I'm on the way to the gym kasi we're trying to be consistent, guys. Look at my nails nga pala. It's polka dot season! Bago ako pumunta ng gym, magtutupi muna ako ng mga clothes cause, you know, kapag nasa bahay ka ng nanay mo, kailangan mo gumawa ng chores. Ibang-iba talaga siya sa dorm life. For my moisturizer, I've been using this Purito moisturizer. This is really good, guys, as in. So, I use 2 sunscreens from Everwhite and this is from yan, di ko alam paano i-pronounce. Guys, whenever I put tinted sunscreen, hindi mo kasi siya malalagay, like, hindi mo siya ma-re-apply. I think magpo-fold muna ako ng clothes bago umalis para pagdating ko ng bahay, mag-chill na lang ako mamaya. Hindi na ako utusan ng nanay ko. Okay, I'm gonna charge my camera first. So, catch you guys later. Bye! Currently procrastinating, y'all. Grabe, tingnan niyo kung... What? I'm watching Vampire Diaries as usual. I'm on season 5, episode 19. Alam niyo guys, ang tagal yung matapos. Kasi parang kada season, iba-iba yung mga ganap. So, ito itutuloy natin while I'm folding some clothes. Welcome. It's another day. Today is a Sunday. It's May 31. I'm here sa bahay ng tita ko kasi kakain daw kami sa bahay ng tita ko. Later pupunta ako sa dentist because tatanggalin na yung braces ko sa wakas. Sobrang tagal na ng braces ko ever since grade 7 pa. Actually, parang 7 years na akong naka-braces, guys. 7 years? Actually, more than 7 years. Kasi, tinanggal ko yung braces ko nung grade 11 ata. Tapos, binalik ko siya nung first year college ako kasi medyo tumataas yung ngipin ko dahil nawala yung retainers. So, sana hindi ko na mawala this time because my appointment is at 1 PM pa. So, tatambay muna kami sa bahay ng tita ko. I think I'm gonna have an eventful vlog this time. You know guys, to be honest, ang dami ko na namang backlogs as in. Hindi ko alam if i-edit ko pa ba siya or wag na. Like, I'm just gonna edit the present vlogs and neglect the past vlogs. Pero kasi sobrang sayang eh. Pero kasi hindi na nag-fit sa timelines. Pero wala naman kayong pake, diba? Kasi ako naman yung nag-edit. Ewan ko. Sobrang arte mo magsalita. I don't know why it's so hot in the Philippines right now. I can't explain the heat wave, the temperature, the degrees? Anyways, guys, sobrang init. Grabe! Sabi ng nanay ko, sobrang OA ko na sobrang init daw. Like, kanina pa ako nagko-complain na sobrang init. Pero hindi ako OA, guys. If you feel me, you feel me. Sobrang init yung Pinas, as in. Sobrang init talaga. Hindi ako OA, okay? Basta yun lang hindi ako OA. If you feel me, you know. Pero kasi sobrang init talaga, legit. Parang isang pa yung electric fan ko. Sobrang init na agad. Like, yung bawis ko everywhere. Yung bawis ko magdagat sa Charis. Yeah. We're at Jangna. Sa YouTube. Pinat ba to? Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. Hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos kasi meron akong retainers. Guys, kakakuha ko lang ng retainers ko kahapon. So, what is my agenda for today? Wow. Pero I think walang agenda today because, I don't know. No, meron pala. I might go to the gym for my lower body workout. But like, I feel like I still can't do lower body workouts kasi medyo masakit pa yung lower back ko, guys. Parang di pa siya gumagaling. Yes, ganun talaga kalala kapag hindi proper yung form mo sa workout. I think I've been consistent na for the past 2 weeks. So I think that's a progress, guys.
If not, not in your almost there. So let's take the shot. We have a multivitamin. Here it goes. Cheers.
Going to Jensen, guys. Hey guys, I'm finally home. It's already 1:07 a.m. and medyo late na din kaming dumating. But I am just starting to unpack all my clothes kasi andito yung mga skincare ko, so I need to remove my makeup pa. I'm so hungry, so nag-order ako ng McDo. Wala pa kasi yung closet dito sa loob ng room ko. Hindi ko natatanggalin sa maleta yung mga damit ko. Dito ko nilagay lahat ng skincare ko. So, I'll get back to you guys once I'm done freshening up. Bye. Nag-freshen up na ako and I already changed into my Pambay. So, I ordered McDonald's. I always order 6 pieces chicken McNuggets with barbecue sauce and then large barbecue shake fries. Like, that is the combo, guys. Dapat pala nag-regular fries na lang ako. For tomorrow, the agenda is we're gonna go to Euphoria sa Tupi and SG Farm.
This row of pins out. Bobby pins if you guys want to do this hairstyle. Okay, so now I'm just taking a piece and finger coiling.
Hi, Philippines! Guys, nasa Euphoria kami. Akala ko mainit, so ang combo natin for today is sleeveless and shorts. Fit check. Ang lamig! Dati yung napunta kasi kami last time ang init. So, sabi ko mainit. Ganyan yung suot niyo. Ang lamig. And then, anong favorite flower mo, ate? Like kapag, binigyan ka, anong gusto mong flower?
Ano sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero dapat non-negotiable ko yung lavender. Pero mahirap siya.
Yung may bigger, ano nga?
Tulips? Ay, hindi. Lilies.
Lilies, yun yung mahirap.
Gosh, I love nature. Look at the nature, guys. My gosh, I love Mindanao. see the fog there. Oh my God, pupunta sa atin. Tingnan niyo guys. Salt air. The hair is not herring anymore. It's so frizzy and curly. Let's do what's in my bag. I brought this bag. My go-to bag. Always. I bought this from an ukay shop from IG. Hindi siya ukay shop na vintage mahal. Ukay talaga siya. So I got this for like 280 pesos only.
Really?
Tapos parang 3 araw na wala pa rin nagmamile. Sabi ko, bakit? Eh, di ba trend to siya? I have here my retainer case. Hindi ko alam bakit mayroon akong sunscreen dito, pero hindi ko naman ginagamit. My lippy. This is the Vice Velvet Blur. The shade Soft Kiss. I have my best friend, Vaseline. Ever since nag-take ako ng Isotret, sobrang dry na talaga ng lips ko. Parang sobrang crack niya na to the point na pag onting smudge or onting touch lang is nagbi-bleed na siya. And then I have Colorette First Base. Hitpan ko na siya. I will repurchase. I'm influencing you to buy this one. It doesn't cake. It doesn't add coverage. It just blurs your skin. Guys, sa tingin nyo, natural. Ganyan ako tangkad in real life. And then, I also have my Isotret DJI case. Nawala yung mic ko, guys. Inhaler, glasses. This is so cool. I look so cool whenever I wear this. Hey guys, we're here at Camp Sabros. Nandun si SpongeBob, guys. What are you doing here, SpongeBob? Sheesh. Sheesh. Are you kidding? Grabe guys, kasi dito parang lahat ng mga things na may isip yung vintage nandito. Like saang branch to? Saang branch na Jollibee? Okay guys, guess the year of the Jollibee, please. Gusto ko sanang mag-zipline pero sobrang mahal. Ito yung hanging bridge.
Gusto ko dyan.
Let's do zipline. Ganun! Ay! Hi guys! My battery is about to die, but we're here at the Eden Nature Park. Actually guys, nakapunta na ako dito. Pero, bata pa kasi ako nun.